So you're thinking of launching your agency and you can't decide on a niche, or you're working in a niche today that isn't working out for you. Maybe you feel like it's too saturated and you want to switch it up. I've got 5 niches today that I guarantee nobody else is talking about that might be perfect for you. To celebrate our launch of our brand new paid community for agency owners that you guys have been asking for years, I'm dropping another 2 exclusive niches in that community called Growth School for committed agency owners that are looking for even more ideas. Growth School is a brand new exclusive community that we just launched specific for agency owners who are looking for more tips, tricks, hacks, and insights that are specific to the social media marketing agency business model. In addition to SMMA tips, tricks, and such, it's full of additional resources and courses that really have no place in our flagship course, the SMMA Blueprint, like our Wealth Mastery course, our Self Mastery course, and other courses that we're creating all the time that don't really have a place on this YouTube channel or in the SMMA Blueprint program, but are guaranteed to drive better results for you in your life and in your business. The price is currently the lowest it'll ever be for Growth School, so check that out today. For the first couple of people that join, we're doing deep dives on your agency. We're looking at your website, your name, your messaging, your outreach, literally everything, doing total agency audits for the first couple of people that join. Check that out at the link in the description and in the pinned comment, and let's talk about these niches. Niche number 1 is pool remodeling. This is actually a niche that I recently uncovered myself as I'm in the process of having my pool redone. If you guys have been following the channel for a while, you know that there's 3 key criteria that we look for in a winning niche. 1, there need to be thousands of businesses to choose from in the niche. 2, it needs to align with the lead gen model. They need to have a desire and need for leads, specifically not online sales, so you can easily scale a lead gen model with their business that's copy-paste from one company to the next. And 3, they need to have a high-ticket offer where they can afford to pay your agency handsomely for the services that you provide. With the average price of a pool remodel starting at a minimum $10,000 US in the United States, this is a niche that's ripe for agency owners to work with. As I mentioned, I'm currently having my pool redone, and it's a pretty expensive project. I reached out to a ton of different companies here in Arizona, and their marketing was terrible. Many of the sites, it was difficult to even find a lead form. They literally only had a phone number on the page and a contact us page, and many of them didn't even follow up with me at all. The high-ticket product like this, I was expecting a much better customer experience, and it's to be a lot easier for me to get in touch with these companies. This is a niche that is ripe for an agency to come and mature their marketing. Niche number 2 is high-end landscape design. Don't get this twisted with your typical weekly lawn mowing company. For this niche, I'm talking about the expensive stuff. Pavers, landscape remodeling, heavy machinery, that's where we're talking. Again, for this niche, you're gonna be looking at a sticker price in the tens of thousands of dollars. They operate on a lead basis as every job is typically custom. They need to actually come visit your property, give you a custom quote. And again, I'm having my pool redone, so landscaping is a part of that, and I reached out to a bunch of companies in this space as a part of that. The process was, again, complex. It was hard to figure out how to contact them, and literally only 20% of them followed up with me at all. If you check out the link in the description down below, I have a one-click install funnel in a video you can watch that explains how to run ads for the roofing niche and set up funnels for them. You can use this exact same strategy for this niche, the landscape remodeling, as well as the niche that I just talked about, the pool resurfacing and remodeling niche as well. Niche number 3 is pet daycare, my friends. The prices for pet daycare are basically highway robbery at this point. For those of you that don't have pets or a 9-to-5 job like me, there's a lot of people who work a 9-to-5 job and can't be at home with their pets all day. It's not uncommon for them to drop them off for 6, 7, 8 hours per day, and for the hourly rate of doggy daycare to be as much as $10 per hour. For $50 to $80 per day, you can drop your dog off, they have a play date the entire day, and they're exhausted by the time you come and get them. The beauty of this niche, though, is that it's typically a recurring cost. It's unlikely that you're just going to drop your dog off at doggy daycare one single time. Usually you start a relationship with the doggy daycare that you like, and you bring them back again and again and again. A lot of people will even drop off their dog several days per week. One customer can easily generate thousands of dollars per year, if not thousands of dollars per month, depending on how frequently they're dropping their pet off. Many companies in this niche actually work on a lead basis where you fill out a form, you're invited to the doggy daycare where you can basically have a doggy audition to see if it plays well with the other pets. And if they qualify and play nice with the other dogs, they're allowed to actually come and show up. This makes this niche perfect for the lead gen model, high ticket, and a great niche, especially if you like dogs. Niche number 4 is virtual fitness for existing fitness studios. Now hold up real quick before you click off this video and start cursing my name in the comments. I know that the fitness niche is crazy popular in SMMA, and honestly, I still think it's a good niche, but that's not what we're talking about here. Over the last few years, many brick and mortar fitness studios have gotten wise to the fact that they're making a fraction of what they could be making if they had an online offer versus just their in-person studio. They look at online coaches and other apps, and they think to themselves, hey, I could make a fortune if I took this online. So many of them have launched online versions of their fitness studio. Here's the problem. They have no idea how to actually get customers in this fashion. They're used to brick and mortar traffic, not online marketing to people that they haven't met in person. Tons of these brick and mortar fitness studios have launched these online programs in the last couple of years, and now they're sitting dormant. And many of them never made any money. This is a pot of gold for agency owners in the fitness niche right now. Niche number 5 is recruitment agencies. Did you know that there's a job out there where your entire job is to just move people from one job to another job? I actually used to do this job with Derek. It was actually the first job that we had as we started our professional careers, and it's called being an executive recruiter. We started our careers literally moving marketing executives around in the Minneapolis Minneapolis area. Somebody would have an open position, our recruitment agency would get the job to go and find somebody that was perfect for that role, and we would make a couple $1,000s, if not tens of thousands of dollars in commission when somebody that we brought to the table took the job. The biggest challenge that people have with this type of business, though, isn't finding people that are looking for new jobs, especially in today's economy. They're looking for corporations that have open jobs to fill and trust their agency to actually do it. A lot of these companies are stuck in the dark ages. They barely have an online presence, and they built their businesses through word of mouth, and they have no idea how to actually compete in the digital economy. With the average commission being in the tens of thousands of dollars, this is a perfect niche, ripe for maturity with agency owners. Honestly, if I had the skills that I have now as a professional marketer, I could have absolutely been printing money as an executive recruiter working together with Derek. Let me know in the comments what you think of these niches, and remember that in the SMMA Blueprint, we talk about tactics and all that great stuff when it comes to running ads, building funnels, and everything that you need to know to be successful in niches just like these. And if you're looking for more niches for free, check out this video right here where we talk about some of the best niches for beginners.